our project is a 3D tic-tac-toe. So it have two modes. One is play with AI and another one is play with players. The first player who get four color in any direction will win the game. At first, our project will have boost animation, and also the LCD will have boot animation. At last, the speaker will give music at the beginning. So next, I will talk about how to control this cube. So these are direction keys we will use to control the LED horizontally, like this. And also, we can use these two buttons to move the LED, move forward, move up or move down. And when you want to put the LED in certain position, just push the button B here. Now we are showing playing between two players. So when you cannot see the LED clearly, you can rotate it. And then you can stop it whenever you want, and also you can rotate it in another direction, just like this. And it can also quilt.
Oh, that's easy as shit. Just like, all right, yeah, just plug in one of the things to do. Yeah, the 3D printing resources on campus are crazy.
So when your LED is at the at other players' LED, it will blink between red and blue to tell you, red and green to tell you that there is already a chest here. So and also you cannot put your LED here. You have to move it away. Also, so each player will have 2 minutes to place his chest before he loses the game. So, and also when you have only 30 seconds, the LCD will blink. And also the speaker will give the warning sound to you. Now I'm controlling the blue light and he is controlling the red light. So when you win, here will some yellow LED to show that you win, and also in the LCD it will show game over and who win this game. Next I will show how to play with AI. Controlling the red light and AI is controlling the blue light. So now it's my turn here. And AI will try to stop your light to make a roll in any direction.
B, C, Z, Y, X, T, U, V, Vivian.
Either M or J.
So in this turn, AI.
Okay, now I will go to specific implementation. So by pushing these control keys, the N64 controller will send input signals to the FPGA, which will then generate interrupt and send them to the Smart Fusion processor. By running some C programs, the processor will able to control all these peripherals. Specifically, the LCD is connected through the UART port and the speaker is connected through GPIO port. And the LED cube is controlled by the Rainbow Arduino board, which is below the cube. Its connection to the board is through the I2C port. Another big part of the whole system is the servo. There are two servos here. One is a step motor responsible for the tilt of the LED cube. The other one is the continuous motor, which is responsible for the rotation. If we look carefully, there is a slipper ring inside. Its function is to enable the LED cube to rotate freely.
The system is implemented in C code, and the C code is stored in the flash of the Smart Fusion. And basically, what the code does is to accept an interrupt, which it can read the data, any action on the N64, and then it will, depends on what input button it receives, it will check the status that's stored in the status of the whole game, which is stored in the C program, and it will decide which is the next state. So it's like a state machine. And it will send the signals to all the peripherals here. And another independent part is the AI program. The AI is simulated to how a normal player is playing. So the first step of the AI is to find out whether itself has 3 in a row. If it's the case, it will just win the game, and then it will check whether the player has 3 in a row or 2 in a row. If it finds it, and it will block it. And if none of these cases is true, then it will find a random point to lay its chess.
We implemented most of the function that we want in our cube, and during the demo we found that people really enjoy playing this 3D tic-tac-toe game. And one improvement that we can make is that we can add one more sensor to the board, because when the rotation is 180 degrees, we will find that when we press the up, the cursor will actually goes down, and so the direction is reversed. If we put a sensor and connect the sensor to FPGA, we will be able to control automatically change the cursor while the player is rotating the cube. And also we can if we want to make more games, we can make the cube larger, and we can implement games like snakes. So that's all for our video. Thanks for watching.